started, well, there is no turning back. Here, folks, is a look at today's grand prize. That right there, $500. And when you correctly answer 10 multiple choice trivia questions about a bunch of different topics, you will win your share of it. Now look, your bonus SB for later in the game. Just be on the lookout for an SB icon in the top left-hand corner of the screen and get those questions right. Even if you're eliminated, you can still win those SB. Now you have to play them after to keep them. But if you win it all, you'll get them automatically. You know I call that one of the perks, and you know my fancy rhyme. If you don't win the game, you must click claim. Now look, speaking of automatically, the latest version of Swagbucks Live for iOS and Android allows you to redeem game-exclusive swag codes. And we have a 5SB code for you in today's game. Players from all countries will receive, with the latest version of the app, okay, all you gotta do to get this code is simply click a button to redeem it. And if you're all updated, it'll appear on your screen after Q10. So that's when the code's gonna be. If you're updated and ready to go. If you're not, don't X out now and try and update. Do it after the game. You'll get more codes in the future. But look, if the swag code is what you need, you must click to redeem. Alright, that's going to be at the end of the game, though. Alright, there we go. That's that. Let's keep it moving. It's the Friday Flash Edition, so let's quickly get the comments out of your way and kick things off with question number 1. Here we go. We've got 17,000, almost 18,000 people here. This is amazing. Question number 1. Which of these breakfast cereals contains pieces of fruit? Wheaties, Fruity Pebbles, or Raisin Bran? Which of these breakfast cereals contains pieces of fruit? Do you know this one? Now look, it doesn't just contain pieces of fruit. It contains 2 whole scoops of it, making it the most raisin-dense cereal in the world. Raisin Bran is the answer, and that, wow, a surprisingly tough question. Fruity Pebbles, I don't think has any real fruit in it. It's got pebbles of sugar, rice, fruity flavored sugar. It's all just kind of one generic fruit flavor. And Wheaties maybe has an off branch, like Wheaties with something, but the base Wheaties is just like cornflakes. So Raisin Bran is the answer, but that's okay. We've got a bunch of you back in here. We're going to keep it moving. We've got almost 18,000 people playing, and I know you want me to go through this game as quick as I can. So let's get on to question number 2. On a car's dashboard, what does RPM stand for? Radically pure motor, revolutions per minute, or rounded pear macchiato? What does RPM stand for on a car's dashboard? A little automotive question. Well, your RPM gives you a measurement of how fast a machine is moving at any point in time, and it stands for revolutions per minute. Revolutions per minute is the answer. 97% of you getting that one right. There we go. Now we're in it to win it. You are back on track. You're ready to go. Let's keep it moving. Straight into question number 3. I know you've got it now. You've got it now, folks. Question 3. Which of these Olympic events is part of gymnastics, balance beam, dressage, or speed walking? Which of those Olympic events is part of gymnastics? We've had the Winter Olympics. This all is Summer Olympics events, though. Now, it's one of these scariest events, and it seems like 99% of the athletes either wobble intensely or just plain fall off the balance beam during competition. Balance beam is the answer. 98% of you getting that one right. Yes! All right. We've locked in. We're dialed in. We're ready to go. Let's keep it going. Question number 4 is here. It's the Friday Flash Edition. I'm just going to keep right on moving. Q4. After the Great Fire of 1666, Sir Christopher Wren rebuilt what city? London, Paris, or Barcelona? The Great Fire of 1666. Oof. You know, he had to basically redo a large section of the city, which he did, taking around 10 years to reconstruct the city of London after the fire. London is the answer. 81% of you got that one right. Okay, so we dropped out of the 90s, but look, still about 13,000 people in the game to win. A lot of people went with Paris, a few with Barcelona. The Great Fire of 1666, Sir Christopher Wren. Maybe that was a little hint as to the British London landscape. All right, question 5 is here. almost halfway done with the quiz. We're moving pretty quick. Let's keep it going. Q5. In chess, in which direction does the bishop move? Side to side, L shape, or diagonally? Any chess players out there? Last time I played was against a computer on an airplane, and I won because I set it to play against a 5-year-old. Here we go. These pieces are crucial for blocking, capturing, and protecting other pieces around the board. They're really flexible, even though they can only move diagonally. Diagonally is the answer. 81% of you got that one right. Okay, still doing pretty good. The L shape, that, folks, is going to go to the knight, and the side to side, or also vertically, is going to be the rook, that castle piece. So, 1,500 people back in, rejoining, feeling good about it. We're on to question 6. We're halfway through the game. We've got bonus SB coming up in a little bit, so you're sticking out, having fun. Let's keep it moving. Question number 6. What brand is good to the last drop? Amway, Maxwell House, or Sunoco? What brand is good to the last drop? Do you know this one? Now, you need to thank President Theodore Roosevelt for this one, really. Legend has it that once he tasted the coffee at Maxwell House, he was moved to utter a phrase that became their ad slogan. Maxwell House is good to the last drop. 98% of you are good on that question. 13,489 people still in the game. You knew that Maxwell House is good to the last drop. Let's see if you will be, because we've got a few drops left in this quiz. The drop number 7, aka question number 7, is here, and we're ready for it. Let's keep it moving. Q7. Elwood Edwards is the voice behind what famous sound? The Wilhelm scream, You've Got Mail, or the Aflac Quack? Which of those famous sounds is thanks to Elwood Edwards? The voiceover world, folks, is odd. As an actor, I can tell you, it's weird. I mean, you never know when a small one-off job is going to become a part of the zeitgeist. But that's what happened to Elwood Edwards, the voice behind You've Got Mail. You've Got Mail is the answer. Oh, a tough one! Only about 60% of you got this one right, so I'm going to give you some time to jump back in the game. Question 8's coming up. It's got 2 bonus SB, so no matter what, I know you're sticking around. The Wilhelm scream, I'm pretty sure, was a guy named Wilhelm who did that one. 18% of you went for that. The Aflac Quack, originally that was Gilbert Godfrey going Aflac, and now I think now they've moved away from Gilbert. But there you go, almost 2,500 people back in. I gave you the time you needed. Question 8 is here. It's got 2 bonus SB in it, as does every question from here on out. So 8 worth 2 bonus SB. Here we go. Jessica Simpson starred in a reality show with what pop star who was her first husband? Nick Lachey, Justin Timberlake, or Donnie Wahlberg? Who's that pop star that she starred in that show?
Oh, no.
Southern California mansion. Yes! She was married to Nick Lachey. Nick Lachey of 98 Degrees is the answer. 92% of you got that one right. And well done. You knew it wasn't Dave, JT, or DW, which I don't think anyone's ever called DW, but that's okay. We're going to keep it moving. Question 9, where 2 bonus SB is here. On which from a mystery basket, Chopped, Ace of Cakes, or Cake Boss? Which of those shows is a mystery basket? Now, look, can you turn a basket of unlikely food items into a masterpiece meal? Many great chefs have tried and failed, which is what led them to getting chopped. Chopped is the answer. 9,286 of you have made it this far and are ready for our final question. Folks, I do want to clue you in. I told you I was going to talk about this later. The rumors you keep hearing are true. Swagbucks is celebrating its 14th birthday all next week, and on Thursday, February 24th at 8 p.m. 5 p.m. Pacific time, we've got the biggest single game in Swagbucks Live history. A $50,000 grand prize. That means there is a $5 million SB prize pool, plus bonus SB on every question, and oh yeah, you'll get 3 free rejoins just for playing. Do not miss it. And like I said earlier in the game, folks, this isn't going to be a super hard quiz. This is going to be a super awesome quiz that you want to tune in for and go for the gold. Now, look, if you didn't hear it, at the SB game exclusive code for you after Q10, and it's for all countries. You can't get it anywhere else, and you redeem it just by clicking a button. We've been sending out reminders to make sure your app is up to date, so you need to have the latest version 1.6.7 installed to see and redeem the codes. And look, if you miss it today, update your app. Well, look, it's going to be happening more, folks, okay? So don't worry about it. But after Q10, that's when you're going to see it. And now, it's almost the end of the day, right? We're already thinking, what are we doing for dinner? Well, folks, for savory and super versatile meals, add light life organic tempeh to your next dish. It's nutty flavor and simple, clean ingredients pair well with countless dishes for a more fulfilling meal. Plus, it can earn you SB. Here's how. Add Light Life to your list in Magic Receipts, then buy 1 pack of Light Life tempeh in store at a participating retailer and earn 100 SB when you upload a photo of your receipt as proof of purchase. Buy 2 of them and earn 400 SB. Now, you have to be a U.S. player to take advantage of this opportunity, but check it out as soon as the game is over. Meanwhile, question 10 is finally here. It's worth 2 bonus SB. We've got 9,444 players going for a piece of the grand prize. We've got 18,200 plus people hanging out and having fun going for the SB, going for that great code at the end. Let's get to it. Question number 10 for all the marbles. Here we go. Travis Scott and Ariana Grande have both performed concerts inside what video game? Rocket League, Fortnite, or Super Smash Brothers? Both performed concerts inside what video game? Are you a video game fan? Do you know this? Now look, these weren't just concerts, folks. They were interactive gaming experiences built around music. Another way that Fortnite has distinguished itself from all other games. Fortnite is the answer. 8,367 of you know that answer and are splitting our grand prize. Congratulations, everybody. Let's take a look at our winners here, shall we? Oh my goodness. Wow. Ultimate Flynn, you got the ultimate win. Congratulations. That is a huge one. Look, everybody's getting 6 SB plus all those bonus SB plus after Q10. You've got that code that you can redeem, right? We've got August. The sucker, but you're not a sucker. August, all right, look, you're a winner. You won, okay? Galaxy Fam 605, Graceless 26. Look, I think you won that with grace. I would say you have grace. You're not graceless. You are graceful, right? Now look, now that you got all these new SB in your account, you know what to do with them. Redeem them for PayPal cash or gift cards to Amazon, Starbucks, Target, and hundreds of other places. Everybody, great job today. We're going to see you back here Tuesday for a brand new week of trivia. Why? Because, again, I mentioned we've got President's Day. It's a holiday here in the States, so we're coming back Tuesday for more fun for the big birthday week. And then there's that big game on Thursday for $50,000. You got to be there. 8 p.m. Eastern Time, 5 p.m. Pacific Time, Thursday the 24th. Do not miss it. Oh, so much is going on. I hope you're having fun. Have an amazing weekend. This has been Swagbucks Live. Have a good one, everybody.